Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Praveen, and if you guys are comfortable with English, you guys can stay here. If you guys are comfortable with Tamil, there's a complete sequence of the same video in Tamil and the link is up right there. Today is going to be an interesting day because I'm going to fly a glider or a small aircraft over LA. I'm really pumped up for this. I don't know how the experience is going to be. I'm just going to take you through the complete experience of how we flew and what I was coached before I was going to fly. And everyone has this childhood dream of that you want to be a pilot. At least today I get this opportunity to do so. And let me take you through this journey. Me and my mom just drove to this place. This is like 500 meters away from my home. Even before we get to the actual flying, they gave us a ground training and a simulation training was provided by the instructor.
Forces of flight, if you remember it.
Thrust and drag,
okay,
weight and pull, or
lift.
Yeah.
Alright, so basically thrust is produced by the engine of the airplane, right? So you see that black knob over there? The black one?
Yep.
Yeah, if you push it all the way down forward. So basically right now you're controlling the engine of the airplane.
Verbal training didn't end there, followed by a 15-minute presentation of the flight principles and how the actual flying takes place. I was just sitting like a kid back in school for the basic physics classes.
You're pulling back, right? The nose of the airplane would go up, but you would see the horizon would drop, right? It would go down. Meaning, you're gonna maintain the horizon like over here, like 1/4 over here, okay? On the screen. Alright? Any question before we go?
No.
Alright. Alright, I want you to pull back in the control wheel slowly. Pull back into the control wheel slowly. Pull back on the control wheel slowly. The control wheel, pull it back.
Oh.
Not slowly.
Oh, okay.
Now you're gonna slow the airplane. See when you pull it back? Now, turn to the right. Slowly.
It just felt like I was actually flying a flight, but an easier version of it. The simulation was so real. And yes, finally we spotted the glider or the aircraft that we're gonna fly. The one you see with the red right there.
Really loud. So we had to. So step over here and get inside. Watch your head. Yeah, sure. Before you put your seatbelt, make sure you're move forward first. There you go. Make sure you reach the pedal.
If you guys are watching the Cricket World Cup right now, you would have known this term called the overcast. It is a phenomenon where a certain area is covered by clouds and the visibility towards the ground is less than 10%. And sadly, due to which we weren't able to see this Santa Monica beach. The total flying time was 30 minutes and we were flying at around 5,000 feet. We did see the downtown LA, the 405 freeway within the courts, always filled with traffic, and the complete valley. Finally, we were coming to a halt, and he didn't let me operate the aircraft or the glider at that point. And to be honest, it was one of the smoothest landings that I've ever come across. It was even smoother than the car braking. You could see it right now. We just landed, and I should say it was one of the best experiences that anyone could ever imagine. Going back to the specifics, I'm not sure of other countries, but in the United States, you wouldn't require a license to operate this. And I purchased this complete 1.5 hour package in terms of training and flying through Groupon for $120. That was a pretty good deal. And For non-members, it's $180, which is approximately 13,000 rupees. But I'm pretty much sure that I wouldn't be able to fly for 13,000 rupees in India with this one. I've put the Groupon information for this deal in the description below. And if you guys like this video, just give them the thumbs up and not forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.